Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shubhri Sharma. Today I will teach you determinants. What is determinant and where it is used? Determinants means the number which determine the uniqueness, which determines the uniqueness of a matrix of solution of a matrix A1, let us suppose we have A1, A2, B1, B2 any matrix. And if we want to find the determinant, this will change into the determinant sign. This is not a modulus, this is a determinant sign, and it will written as A1, A2, B1, B2. The number after solving this, which number we get, which determine the uniqueness of the solution of this matrix, that is called the determinant. And it is used in science, economics, engineering and accountancy, in many fields. It is a very easy concept related to the matrices, and it is a favorite topics of CBSE board examiners. Now come to the sufficient and necessary condition for determinants. Determinants are possible only in square matrix. In a rectangular matrix, determinant will not be possible. Now come to we have the determinant of order 3 with the real entries also, real as well as complex. Now come to the determinants of order 1. How to find the values? How to find the numbers which determine the uniqueness of the solution? Come to the determinants of order 1. Let us suppose we have A, that is A11. This is a matrix. When we find the value of A, that will A11. The same number which is present here, that is the determinant. The number which gives the uniqueness of the matrix, solution of the matrix. Now come to the determinants of order 2. How we can find the determinant of order 2? Let us suppose we have a matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. When you change it into the determinant, the sign of determinants will also appear with the elements like this. And how to solve? This A1, this is a cross multiply. Just say A11 is multiplied with the A22 minus reversal law. A21, A12, and this will give the value of the determinant. This will give the value of that number which find the uniqueness of the solution. Now come to the example. Let us suppose we have A, that is 1, 2, minus 1 and 0. How we can find the determinant? The determinants, A determinant is equals to 1, 2, minus 1 and 0. How we can find 1 into 0? That is 0. Minus 2. That is positive 2. This is that number which determines the uniqueness of this matrix. Now come to the determinant of order 3. Determinants of order 3. How we can find the determinant of order 3? Let us suppose we have a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. A31, A32, A33. When we change it into the determinant, it will equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. How to expand? There is one procedure to expand. Either you can expand through one row, second row, third row, or you can expand through either one column or two column or three column. You can solve, you have to solve it by using any row or any column by using these signs: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and minus, minus, and plus. This is the way to open or expand these determinants. How to expand? I will expand it through the first row. So A11 as a cofactor, so we have to take the element with their cofactors. A11, when you take A11, this whole column and row will cancel. We have A22, A23, A32, A33. Minus, with the second element we have to take the negative sign, 1, A2, and this whole column and row will cancel. We have A21, A23, A31, A33. And in the third element, again with the positive sign, A13, that will equals to A13. When you take 1, 3, this whole column and row will cancel. We have A21, A31, A22, A32. Okay? And when you solve it, A11, we have to multiply these two, A22, A33 minus A32, A23 minus A12. 1, 2, with the 1, 2, we have A21, A33 minus A31, A23. With the third element plus A13, we have to multiply these two, A21, A32 minus A31, A22. Okay? After solving these elements, we get the one unique solution which determines the uniqueness of the solution of this matrix. Now come to the example of order 3. Let us suppose we have any determinant of order 3. Let us suppose we have the determinant of order 3. Let us suppose we have A is equals to any determinant. We take the matrix 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 6, 3, again 2 and 0. How to expand? This is order 3. How to expand? Take the determinants 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 6, 3, 2 and 0. How to expand? Take 3 as elements. This row and this column is cancelled. 4 into 0, that is 0. Minus 12. Minus with the second sign 2. This and this will cancel. 0 into 0, 0. Minus 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now third is minus 1. There is a positive 1. With the minus 1, we have 0 minus 12. Here we have minus 36 plus 36 or plus minus 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 plus 12. This 36 and 36 will cancel, we get 12. This gives the unique value of this matrix. So that's all. This is all of the determinant. This is just introduction how to expand the order 1, 2 and 3. Now the exercise 4.1, based on this, only these concepts, we will do the properties of determinant in the second video. Thank you.